I'm here in lower base doing something I said I wouldn't do, which is wait online an interminably long line for whatever the item is. But here I am. I got up at 5 o'clock or 4:44, headed out here up to lower base, and the line was already about a mile long, and it didn't seem practical to me to wait online just for 2 bags of ice. But I was already up, I was already here. I was gonna sit on the computer anyway in the car, whether it's in front of my apartment or not. So I decided to wait and make use of the time to do a few blog posts and edit a few videos and give you guys a story. So it's now 7:04. They should have opened up a few minutes ago. So the line yesterday moved relatively quickly. People were just picking up 2 bags and heading out, so it should move pretty fast. So stay tuned and I'll give you an update. Alright, looks like a new system. Might be collecting the money in advance, giving a receipt. That'll make things go much quicker. Two is the limit, right?
Yes, sir.
Were you doing this yesterday or the new system today?
No, we were doing this ice only.
No, I mean collecting the money in advance?
Yeah, we've been doing this since day 2.
Okay, good. Excellent.
So it will be faster for everyone.
Absolutely. This is good.
Like drive-through, no?
Yep. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Sir.
Have a cool day.
You too.
Okay, so back to the waiting, but at least now I have a receipt in hand, so I know I'm assured my 2 bags of ice. I'm sure there's someone at the end of the line who is being told, sorry, that's all the ice we have for today. There's something uniquely satisfying about being next in line. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm done. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, so I've accomplished my task for this morning, starting at 4:43, finishing at about 8:30, 8:40 or so. And in case you're interested, let's take a look at how the line has evolved and grown over the last hour or so. As mentioned, when I came at 5:15 in the morning, 5:30 in the morning, it had already wrapped around. So let's see how many people are there now. So let me show you when I came at 5:15 this morning. This is what the line looked like. Down here. where I was at about 5:30 this morning, and as you can see, the line continues and continues and continues and continues just to get 2 bags of ice.
Subscribe.
You know what am I saying?